Hello everyone. Just for information, I purchased the whole cutter and installed it like this to the grill. The quality of this one is manufactured by this company, Eco. Is really good and compare with the other like this type, and even with the famous brand of Bosch. I was making more than 10 holes with 92 diameter with that brand, but I could not able to make even a single hole with this Bosch on a plate of 20 thickness. And the plate material is the marine type EH36, and it's easily can cut this quality. I hope that this video help out you to just select the best tool for your workshop.